My name is Mark Lenton. I'm the Managing Director of KWB Property Management Limited. We are a firm of chartered surveyors who look after commercial and residential property throughout the Midlands, Birmingham and Greater Midlands area. So in the commercial management field, we predominantly look after a number of very large office buildings in the city centre and out of town. On top of that, we also look after industrial estates and shopping centres and retail parades. KWB utilise the services of JDP, who carry out a number of services for us, predominantly fire alarm systems maintenance, weekly testing and monitoring, including things like fire evacuations and emergency lighting. They also do a lot of electrical safety work for us, so if we undertake fixed wiring tests on buildings that come up with recommendations and requirements, JDP are very quick to give us the costs and we will instruct them to carry out those works, which are always essential in a building. They also do a lot of CCTV work for us and have installed cameras throughout many buildings of ours, which then gives us remote access from laptops, computers and telephones. They carry out the weekly fire alarm testing, the management and maintenance of the fire alarm systems, which includes quarterly inspections, emergency lighting testing and such like. In addition, they do an awful lot of our electrical safety work, so following electrical testing that's been undertaken to a building, things like fixed wiring tests, they will come back with recommendations and requirements that need to be undertaken, which we've always found them to be very effective at doing and very quick to react to. I would recommend JDP. We've worked with them for many years. We've always found their backroom office staff and the engineers to be extremely helpful, very efficient in terms of everything that they do, very reactive when needed to be, have always provided quotes on time and carried out work on time for us, cost effective where they need to be and extremely helpful, so I would recommend them fully.